Hello friends, it's Running Kimono. I hope you're doing great. We're going to talk about the best gain deals over at the Dollar General for the week of the 12th. Now, if you go and do these deals before the 18th, which is Saturday, it's an extra $5. If you can go on Saturday, these two guys usually stack, which is really fantastic. You buy a $30 basket, you get $10 of savings. And that 5 off of 30 is of a one-time use, and it's once per month. So if you used yours earlier this month or last week, you're going to have to wait until the 26th to have another basket on that store card. Okay, again, we're grabbing $30 of gain merchandise to get that $10 of savings, which is super. On Saturday, September the 18th, that's when the two boosters stack, so it's really great. Use the Dollar General app to scan the merchandise to ensure that the 5 off of 30 along with the digital coupons are attaching. That's critical. Not all regions this works. So if you do have some issues, I have something to tell you here in the next slide. And if you have really big issues where nothing's working, always don't feel shy to just void your transaction. So a subscriber over on TikTok actually sent me a picture of the receipt. This is for one of my matchups last weekend. And it worked beautifully for her. And she even got that little 5 off on your next transaction on her cash register tape. So thank you, Karen, for providing me with this. But it worked perfectly, and it's right down to the penny of what I said it was going to be. If you follow what I'm saying and you have a little bit of experience at the Dollar General, you can make these deals happen. It's pretty easy, especially with the digital deals. So just to show you, when you see those S's, that means store discount, the two are in fact stacking. Now, if in your region, the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 don't stack, don't be shy to use one of these. And I know these were printing out last weekend, and I did try this at one point. I think it was the last go around where I tried it with a 5 off of 20 for gain. It was a little different last month, and it worked beautifully for me. So if you cannot get the stack, don't be shy to throw one of these in. It should work perfectly for you. And I'm always talking about using the Dollar General app to scan the merchandise. In case where you're living, things are a little bit different. You really need to be scanning stuff to make sure that you're picking up the right stuff. It's not on some weird sale, and that it's ringing up for the exact cost that we're describing. So you really have to pay attention when you're in the store. So this app is really fantastic. For example, this Mr. Clean Clean Freak with the gain scent. If you stop the video and scan this with the Dollar General app, you'll see that it's in fact part of the 5 off 30. And there's also a digital coupon to go with. So boom, here it is. So this is how you know. You need to see that stack of the 5 off of 30 that, oh yeah, I'm grabbing the right thing. And then you'll be cooking with gas. So really, really pay attention. The more prepared you are in the store on Saturday, the better things usually work out. But yeah, this is the stack we're looking for. Alrighty guys, so the first two deals I have, 100% digital. So we're going to need this guy. Again, we're going on Saturday the 18th, so you need to load all of these coupons. So this guy, load it right away. It's the 5 off 25. And then we also need this guy loaded, which is the 5 off of 30 for this basket. Okay, so if you look at the cover of the flyer, there is a whole host of products that are exactly $3.95. We have a $2 digital, shaking it down to $1.95. So for this go around, I think I want to get some flings. Okay, so this is the bag that I'm going to grab, the 14 count of the Moonlight Breeze. Very nice one. It smells like lavender and fanciness. And the $2 coupon is in fact attaching. Then we're also going to grab a product for $13.50, the flings, the detergent, or the fireworks. It is your choice. I really like those big mamas of the liquid for whatever reason. I just think it looks impressive. So it's $13.50. This one always attaches. It's called Blissful Breeze. It's just a really pleasant smelling gain product. And then we have a $3 digital. As you can see, this one expires on October the 2nd. So load it at the very least. You know, maybe you'll use it in the future. And then we're going to grab two of these for $5. The green one that says gain on it. It has to have the word gain on it. That lemon one, absolutely not. And this 2 off of 2 is in fact attaching. So how wonderful is that? And then we're going to grab one can of the Febreze Air Effect with the gain scent. And then this wonderful dollar coupon showed up on Sunday, so we're going to load that for this deal. Make sure you're grabbing the one with the word gain on the can. Okay, so looking at the math for this one of the Gain flings for $3.95. One Gain detergent, the 150 ouncer for $13.50. Two Mr. Clean Freaks with the Gain scent, $10. They're $5 each. And then one Febreze Air Effect with the Gain scent for $3. Adding all of that merchandise up together, guys, we have a total of $30.45. When the cashier's scanning your merchandise, that's when I usually type in my phone number on the keypad. The cashier presses the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will come off, which are your Dollar General coupons. And then $8 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $12.45 out of pocket for all of these items, shaking it out to $2.49 each. To answer a very quick question, what about the 501 coupon? Is it still taking place? No, that sadly ended last week. So no more. $12.45 is what it is for this basket. Okay, the next deal that we have again is digital. So we're going to need the two boosters, the 5 off of 30, along with the 5 off of 25. Please make sure you have both of these loaded on your store card. First item that we're going to grab is two of the Mr. Clean Freaks with the Gain logo. So they are $5 each. That'll be $10. And then we need this coupon loaded, which is the 2 off of 2 for this product. And I really like cleaning with this. I don't know if you guys love it as much as I do, but I really enjoy this product. We're also going to grab two of these double packs of the Febreze Air for $5 each. So that'll be $10 on the nose. Make sure it says Gain on it. And then we're going to have this 3 off of 2 loaded. So how wonderful is that? And then to round the basket off, we're going to grab one of these guys for $13.50. 96 loads. That is a lot of laundry to do. And I love the shape of these containers. I think they're great. And then we have this wonderful 3 off coupon to go with. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this one, 2 of the Mr. Clean Freaks with the Gain scent is $10. 2 of the Air Effects double packs with the Gain scent as well is $10. And then 1 Gain detergent, 150 ounces, is $13.50. So your total here is $33.50. As the cashier was scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The cashier will hit the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 Dollar General coupons will be coming off, along with $8 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. So you're left with paying $15.50 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $3.10 per product. Hey guys, so if some of the merchandise you're just like, I really don't like it, meh. You could always get 2 of these Gains for $4 and then just replace it. Or if your store is out of a certain product and you just need to get creative on the fly, this is also a great product, and the coupon doesn't expire till the 25th of September. And then another product, if you're just not really happy with what I have in the basket, you can grab 2 of these guys for $3 each. And there's $1 off 2 digital that you can also use. And this guy also subsequently expires on the 25th. Okay guys, so before I take off, the video I made on Saturday where I had a really bad run-in with a cashier, and it was like her making up rules and I just have to follow, and I was like, hey, this is not how this is supposed to go. I did the survey and I did call the store. The manager is going to be doing a little investigation and getting back to me. Very apologetic, very nice, but I'm still not happy with what happened on Saturday. If you want to watch the video, I'll link it here at the very end, but it was just a cashier who's not familiar with the Dollar General. And I also learned she was a new hire, so she was just making stuff up on the spot. And I'm going to find out more about this whole situation. And it's just unfortunate to be spoken to very poorly at the store. This will not stop me from shopping the store because I love shopping at the Dollar General. But I know a lot of you were curious, like, well, what's the follow-up of that? Well, that is the follow-up. And I'll probably have more information either Tuesday or Wednesday. And I'll let you guys know. That's it for this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.